how to share screen in Bigo Live. So let's get started. First of all, launch the Bigo Live application in your mobile device. After that, make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now, once you land on this page, navigate at the bottom of this interface. There you will find few icons such as live, video, and go live icon at the middle, chats, and me. Now, tap on this live option at the middle. Now you will get to this interface. From here, swipe this menu bar to the left and at the last you will get Game Live. Go to that page. After that you have to choose the game. So tap on choose the game and from here you can choose the game that you would like to broadcast in your screen. For example, I have chosen this Among Us. After that, you can set the lifetime as well. Tap on it and then a pop-up box will pop up where you can select the date and time. Also, you can add the live introduction. You can enter the live introduction and then tap on create. After that, tap on OK to start sharing your screen. If Bigo Live can access that information is visible on your screen or played from your device while recording or casting. Then tap on start now. After that, your screen will be shared in Bigo Live. So that's the way to share screen in Bigo Live and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.